Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Filing Doc, where you get help in filing your form. So today is about how to pay your debt to Internal Revenue System (IRS). So if you owe tax to IRS, you might receive the notice CP14 informing you that you have unpaid tax. You can choose to pay your debt immediately. But the problem is sometimes you don't have the money immediately, okay? So you might choose to pay part of the debt. So every month you can choose to pay part of the debt. But with the expectation that you will incur interest on any balance due. But that's not really a big deal that much if your unpaid balance is not too high, okay? So in today's video, I'm just going to show you an example where a taxpayer decide to pay just a part of his debt. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that directly to the IRS website without paying, any third party.
So just go on Google and type IRS.gov/payment. Okay, and then you will click on payment options. Okay, if you want to pay online. So once you click on payment options, you will end up with this page. So you have two options: either you choose IRS Direct Pay or pay with your debit and credit card. Okay. So let me show you if you choose to pay with your debit and credit card. So if you click on paying with your card, debit card or credit card, so you will end up using a third party that will charge you like between $2 or $3 for a debit card and then 1% or 2% for a credit card. That's why it's better to use the direct pay options, paying with via the free options. So let me show you the free options, okay? With the free options, you don't have any fee. So let's choose the option IRS Direct Pay. So with these options, you just need information from your saving account or checking account. So routine number, account number that you will need to provide. Okay, you will need your tax information as well. Okay, so let's click on IRS Direct Pay. Once you click on direct pay, you will end up on a new page where you will enter the reason, the tax form, and the tax year. Okay. Okay. So you need your tax information. Okay. Reason, tax form, and tax year. Let's see that. Click on higher direct pay. So first, no, thank we don't need this. So reason for payment. So the reason for payment is gonna be tax return and notice. Okay. So that's not an installment agreement. Tax return and notice. Since you receive a notice, okay, you're gonna click tax return and notice, okay? And then what else? You're gonna select which form. It is for 1040 because it was a tax return 1040 or 1048. And then we finally choose the year, which is 2016. We're gonna after that click on continue. So you will need to confirmation continue again, okay? So they need a confirmation after clicking on continue. Okay. So now this is for verification of identity. So basically they need your address as it was on your tax return, tax year. In this case, it was 2016. Filing status, single, head of household. Choose the one. First name, last name, and tax, social security number, date of birth. So basically, those information are straightforward. So those are your personal information. Okay. So I keep this private. Okay, the address. So and then you will need to accept the privacy. Okay, and then you will click on continue, and then that's it. So at this step, they need your bank information. So first of all, how much you're gonna pay? Is it 100, 200, 400? Decide. put the routing number, account number two twice to just to make sure. So you can see at your right an example. So this person pay $100. I had routing number, account number. This is private. Check checking account, and then continue. So shoes agree to disclose private information because they want your authorizations for this is an agreement. So once you click on the authorization button, you will get here. So that the last step you need to review and sign. So basically you're gonna enter first name, last name, social security number and accept also. Yeah, you need to click on accept. That's really the last step, okay? And then you will need to click on submit. Okay, so hey, there it is. That's the confirmation. We are done now. At this point, you got they tell you if you want to share this to a friend. They give you the confirmation number, stuff like that, and then you are really good at this step. So normally a you can come back later on, okay, to pay after a month. You can. I would advise you to print, okay. Print this like a copy, okay, and then that's it. Wish you good luck. Bye.